Here goes nothing.
Autofill, 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 autofill.
Oh my god.
Weak AI got real on
Feed the reports into the machine.
Called basic AI or
artificial intelligence.
What if I told you that the next big player in the stock market isn't a person, but a machine? That's right. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we trade stocks. But is it a game changer that will make you rich, or a ticking time bomb waiting to go off? Let's break down how AI is revolutionizing stock trading and what it means for your investments. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI in your trading strategy, and whether it's your ticket to $1 million or a risky gamble. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically a system that can learn and make decisions without human intervention. In stock trading, AI uses vast amounts of data, everything from historical prices to news articles and even social media trends, to predict stock movements and execute trades faster than any human could. Imagine a supercomputer running thousands of algorithms in real time, looking for opportunities to buy low and sell high. It's like having a team of financial analysts working for you around the clock. But even better, they don't need coffee breaks. Now you've probably heard of algorithmic trading. This is where AI comes into play. Big investment firms have been using it for years, but now it's becoming accessible to everyday traders like you and me. In fact, nearly 70% of trades in the US stock market today are executed by algorithms. Think about that. The market is already heavily influenced by AI. But here's the question. Is this giving you an advantage, or is it making the stock market more dangerous for regular investors? In the next segment, I'll tell you about the AI tools you can start using right now and whether they're really worth the hype. If you're wondering how you can tap into this AI revolution, there are some amazing tools available. Platforms like Trade Ideas, Kahoot, and even robo-advisors like Wealthfront are bringing AI to your fingertips. These tools use machine learning to analyze stocks and even place trades for you automatically. For example, Trade Ideas scans thousands of stocks in real time, looking for high-probability trades based on historical patterns. And Kahoot uses AI to score stocks based on different metrics, helping you find potential winners. But before you dive in, there's something important you need to know about the risks. Stick around because we're about to dig into how AI could lead to major losses if you're not careful. All right, let's talk about the flip side of AI trading. The risks. AI makes decisions based on data, but it can't predict the unpredictable, like sudden geopolitical events, market crashes, or even a pandemic. If something major happens, AI can misread the market, leading to huge losses. We've seen this before. Back in 2010, there was the infamous flash crash. The Dow Jones plunged almost 1,000 points in minutes, largely due to algorithmic trading gone wrong. And more recently, we've seen AI systems trigger massive sell-offs during volatile times. So while AI might seem like the perfect trader, it has its blind spots. That's why you can't rely on it blindly. You still need a solid understanding of market fundamentals. Now, the big question. Should you trust AI with your hard-earned money? The answer depends on your risk tolerance and how much control you want to give up. AI can certainly give you an edge in fast-paced markets, but it's not a guaranteed way to make money. It's best used as a tool to complement your trading strategy, not replace it entirely. And if you're thinking about diving into AI-driven trading, I've got a tip for you. Start small. Test the waters before going all in, and always be ready to take back control when things get volatile. So is AI the future of stock trading? Absolutely. But like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. The real winners in this new era will be those who combine AI technology with solid, time-tested investing strategies. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to The Urban Trader. We've got more insights coming on the latest trading strategies, tech trends, and ways to grow your wealth. And don't forget to leave a comment. Do you trust AI with your investments? Let me know below.